Welcome to Mathmetrics. We want to solve for p in 2 raised to power p equals 40. So let's say solution. We have 2 raised to power p equals 40. So from here, we introduce log to both sides. So we have log 2 raised to power p equals log 40. But let's regard from the law of logarithm that if you have log x raised to power y, this is equals y will come forward, we have y log x, right? So applying this to this, it means that this p will come forward, so we have p log 2 equals log, so this 40 we can express it as 2 times 20, right? So from here we should also note that if you have log x times y, from the law of logarithm, this is equals to log x plus log y. So applying this to this, we will have p log 2 equals log 2 plus log 20. So to make p the survey formula here, we have to divide both sides by log 2 log 2. This will cancel out this. So we have p equals log 2 plus log 20 divided by log 2. So this implies that we can divide both log 2 and log 20 by 2. That is p equals log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 20 divided by log 2. So here, from here, if this divide this, we have this to be 1. So we have p equals 1 plus log. This 20 again could be expressed as 2 times 10 divided by 2, right? So therefore we will have p equals 1 plus, again this will becomes log 2 plus log 10 divided by, sorry, we have log here, we have log 2. Again we divide each of this by log 2, so we will have p equals 1 plus log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 10 divided by log 2. Again, this also becomes 1. So we have p equals 1 plus 1 plus log 10 divided by log 2. Therefore, we will have p to be equals 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus. Again, look at here. You can also express this then as the product of 2 and 5. So we have log 2 times 5 divided by log 2. So we will have p to be equals 2 plus log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. So let's divide each of log 2 and log 5 by log 2. So we'll have p to be equals 2 plus log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. Again, we know this and this. So we'll have our p to be equals 2 plus 1 plus log 5 divided by log 2, right? So having p to be equals 2 plus 1 plus log 5 divided by log 2, So we will have P to be equals 3 plus log 5 divided by log 2. From the law of logarithm, we should recall that if you have log x divided by log y, this is equals log x and base y. So applying this to this, we will have P to be equals 3 plus log 5 and base 2. Right, guys? This is our final answer. And we can actually check this to verify. Let's check. Our given question is 2 raised to power P equals 40. But our P is given as 3 plus log 5 in base 2. So let's substitute P into this equation. So we will have 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 and base 2. Is this equals to 40? From law of indices, what number with equal base have been multiplied, their power are added. So, and when their number are added here, so let's make it look like this. 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power log 5 and base 2. We want to check if this is equals to 40. So here, we have to recall that if you have x raised to power log y and base x, this is equals to y, because this will cancel out this, right? So now, if you have 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 log 5 in base 2, so which we want to verify if is equal to 40, that means that this will cancel out this. So we have 2 raised to power 3 times 5, is this equals 40? 2 raised to power 3 will give us 8 times 5, is this equals 40? 8 times 5 will give us 40, equals 40. That means that our P equals 3 plus log 5 and base 2 is valid. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.